Hi everyone, this is Mahesh Kaamath here, founder of MAK Trading School. In this video, I'm sharing my analysis on a stock 3M India Limited. This is a 75-minute chart. The stock, after a downtrend, looks like it is now turning around. So I'm looking for an opportunity to go long in this stock. So let me just apply the supply and demand zone indicator. So this indicator will identify potential demand zones to go long. So in this case, if you see, there is a rally-based rally level identified by the indicator, which is around 350 levels. So looks a strong zone. So what I'm planning to do is, if the stock pulls back to this demand zone, that's where I want to go long, with my stop loss below the pivot low. And target for this stock would be the resistance, which is around 31,500 levels, from where you are seeing the stock had pivoted down. So provides a good risk reward opportunity. So friends, you can set your alert and keep a watch on this stock. It will provide a good opportunity to go long if it pulls back to this demand level. So friends, if you want to know more about supply demand trading strategy, then just click on the link in the description. And thanks for watching, friends.